Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about one of the trickiest part of the teaching lesson, that is lesson timing. We've recently noticed a few recurring patterns and issues that our teachers have during corporate lessons. So, making lesson timing work for you. We have noticed that teachers often spend too much time on warm up or leading. They also run out of time for meaningful practice, especially for freer practice and production stage. And sometimes presentation and controlled practice stages take up more space than they should. So let's look at some tips which you can take to fix this in your lessons. First, warm up discipline. Um, Overlong warm up and leading is like a long conversational spiral because your students are engaged, but they are not moving towards the lesson aim. So, just a small conversation may take up to 20 minutes of the lesson. How to fix it? First of all, have a clear stop point or signal. Prepare two, three quick questions and don't let it run into a mini lesson. And don't hesitate to stop the students, even if they seem very engaged. Just explain that you have the main lesson aim and you want to fulfill it. Next one. Concise presentation and balanced practice is the key. So keep the balance of 30 to 40 time spent on presentation and other parts of the lesson, and 60 to 70% of the lesson conducted practicing. Use examples instead of long explanations when you explain grammar. Involve students in guided discovery so that they could do the thinking. We have some videos on this topic, by the way. Limit controlled tasks to what's necessary for accuracy if you feel that your controlled practice stage takes too much time. Keep an eye on the clock, and if time is slipping, just cut the exercise you're working on short. And the last one, protect production time. That is the practice time during the lesson, the freer practice time during the lesson, and the production stage or genre production stage. Leave up to 20 minutes of your lesson devoted to the production stage. Treat it as the non negotiable. And remember that this is where real language learning happens, so you should include it into your lessons. And some final tips. Use a visible timer that is on your screen or your phone. Put stages timings in your lesson plan. Write down how many minutes you are going to devote to this or that stage of your lesson. Use plus minus 2 minutes as a checkpoint rule. And write cut points or so-called flexible stages in your plan so that you know what to skip during the lesson if time runs short. Thanks for your attention and wish you enjoy your teaching.